We're at the Kirk Ridge Shelter. It's the last no-bow shelter in Pennsylvania before Delaware Water Gap, about 6 miles out. And up in the back where the tent sites are, there's at least 2 beautiful sites. There's this retreat place back here. Private retreat, please respect. And right here, we got well water. I don't even have to filter it. So be respectful. You got yourself some pretty awesome water. You got a good shelter, you got a bear box, privy, and a couple decent tent sites. Good morning. Welcome to day 116.
Yeah, back on the trail and heading into town.
Here we go. It was a long stretch, but it looks like we're going to pull it off.
What an awesome night of conversation. We had Bling and Grateful at the shelter with us.
Yep, it's nice meeting you.
Awesome meeting you.
Yeah.
Hope to meet you further down the trail again.
Yeah, Bling we might.
Bling. Grateful's going southbound.
Grateful's going the other way. He's going to finish a couple 100 miles or so. Yeah, it's good. It's a good time. We'll get into town, get some shoes for her. Resupply, get the gear cleaned up.
Yeah.
Ooh, you start using bug spray when you're sweating, it gets sticky.
Very sticky.
Everything is sticky. I don't think I've ever been this sticky in my life.
And with it being humid, it just makes it stickier.
Oh, yeah. All right, we're going to go get it. We got about 6 and change to go.
All right.
All right, we'll see you along. All right, it's the first view of the day. We got a little bit of a view. A little bit of fog. Rain's supposed to come around 9:30. That's about when we're going to get into town, so we'll see how it goes. All right. Awesome day. Some pretty cruisy trail this morning. After leaving that shelter, it's the last one heading no-bow. This must be how they trick the people into it. People going southbound say, oh, this ain't so bad. It wasn't that it was that bad. It was a bit much, though. It's almost like it didn't need to be. But it is what it is. We were walking through rock piles, and I'm looking on the side of me going, why isn't the trail over there? But whatever. We made it through that. I had a bad attitude yesterday anyway. I was all bent out of shape when we didn't get to do that little resupply. Those are the things that happen out there. You just got to deal with them. I've only had a couple real bad days anyway. Just being a baby. So we're going to try and hit the outfitter in the Water Gap before we go over to Stroudsburg, East Stroudsburg. So we don't have a shuttle set. So we'll figure that out after. It's 3 and change from town to East Stroudsburg, so hopefully we can get an Uber. If not, we'll road walk it if we have to. It's tougher to get a shuttle if you don't set it ahead of time, or at least a couple hours. The views are all socked in now. It's a lot of fog. It's a sea of fog. Rain's supposed to be coming. Hope we can beat it. Been pretty cruisy though. I'll keep taking it. It is muggy though. We'll have to wash the slime off everything when we get to the hotel. Some serious slime. Just gotta watch your step as you're coming through. They'll trip you up. A lot of ticks in this section too. About 2 days ago on. Just have to be diligent with the bug spray and checking for ticks every night, that's all. And some beautiful flowers. The whole bush is lighting up. Been a while. Most of them have been closed up on this part of the state. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. I'm so upset I missed all those rhododendrons though. I definitely gotta go see that. That Roan Mountain Festival sounds like a good time. Rhododendrons everywhere. I gotta make my list of things. Check it twice. Ooh-wee. Yep, she's muggy out now. Yep, we got a road. We're cruising on a road right now. So we're gonna end at the Main Street. We'll just be a couple miles short of 1300, I believe. And when we hit the trail on, this is Saturday, the 7th. So when we hit the trail on Monday, we'll cross the bridge, start a new map, and we'll be in New Jersey. New Jersey. We'll be all the news, New Jersey, New York, and New England. You know, it's a long time, and yet it seems like it's flying by. It's like a freight train out of control. Oh boy. All right, mud bog. Well, we got a mile and a half to go down into the Delaware Water Gap. Just got crazy poured on. Now the sun's coming out. It's supposed to keep doing it, I think. I can see the highway down there. Yep. All right. All right, I gotta put this away because this is pretty tricky. But that's where we're heading. Alrighty. Well, Bandit was just taking a bath in Eureka Creek. Eureka Creek. Been a long time since we've seen a creek. About a week. Nice. Alright. Let's go, buddy. I think that's the gap right there that we're going over Monday. I think that's what it is. I think that's the Delaware River. Where I cross, I don't know. Half mile to go. Whew. Muggy and real bad with the rain suit on. Alright, I gotta go catch them. They're gonna be down there real quick. Alright. We did a bullfrogs a minute ago. Bandit wanted to investigate. Whoo, doggy. Alright. I'd usually spend more time, but we gotta get to going. She's getting angry over there, getting hit by flies. Look at her.
Being eaten by mosquitoes.
She's got that look. Alright, we gotta go. We got a nice big funky tree here as we leave the parking lot. That's a big one. Alright, so we're going to head out, still following the trail, down to the road. And then we got, it's like a half mile. It's not even a half mile. Probably only be like a quarter mile. And then we'll turn off at Main Street. So we will pick up at Main Street when we come back at it. Awesome. Awesome. 150 miles, 10 days. And we managed to make it so that we had a Nero for it. So we got a Nero and a 0. This should give us the time we need to get things done. Hopefully. Bandit's just said no. Emphatically. Alright. Alright. 1,297.4. That's where we ended. Exactly 900 to go. Weary traveler, passing through, local yokel, strolling by, hiker, biker, we mean you, give our place a try. Nice. The tap room, grill and tap room. All right, we're at Ready, Set, Run in Stroudsburg. They carry all these different brands of shoes. I got my Topos. They did not carry Carrie's shoes, so we're gonna head up that way. And there's an outfitter up there. I think it's Dunkelberger's outfitter. But this is Main Street here. Oops, sorry, I'm all over the place here. Sweet Dreams Cafe. All little mom and pop stuff. Nice little main street here. Nice little place. Got a training studio over here. This is 209. I actually came through here on one of our bike trips down the south and realized that it was going to be like this the whole way. It was tough to drive. But yeah, got a bar and grill over there. Alright, so we're going to head up and see if we can find some shoes for Mama. That place there has a whole bunch of old sewing machines and new ones. There's some more salons, barber shops. The Gamer's Edge. Activewear, clothing. Just a typical downtown. Come here for a minute. Come on in. And right now Carrie's inside here. Dunkelberger's for women, for men. Sports outfitter. She's in here trying to get fit for a new pair of shoes for her. It's a cool little town. There's a movie theater, a winery. Hi. All right, this is the day of end of day 116.
So we made it into town.
After we got rained on again.
Again, yeah. We got into town. Walked down to one of the outfitters, which was just a little bit off the trail.
Yeah.
They didn't have anything.
Nothing good there. But when we walked down the town, the trail goes into town, and we stopped and turned at Main Street. We were at 1,297.4 exactly. So exactly 900 to go.
Mm-hmm.
So then we went to the outfitter, but they just had water sports stuff.
Yeah. And then we found a little bakery.
Yep. Got some tasty treats.
And coffee.
Got an Uber. I went over to East Stroudsburg.
Yeah. Went to Ready, Set, Run.
Ready, Set, Run, and they had my shoes.
And then went to Dunkelberger's, and they had mine.
Yep.
I think that's, yeah, Dunkelberger's.
Yeah, she's got the Vortex version this time.
Vortex version.
Gore-Tex version.
We don't want a Vortex.
No Vortex. No.
We just got new shoes. We can't Vortex.
That's right. We got to try them out.
So, our wheels are ready to go again.
Yep. We'll break them in. We'll go do a resupply on tomorrow, and then
Walmart. We're gonna go to Wally World.
Yep. It's about 9/10 walk, so that's not bad. We walked back from Main Street. I mean, it was a mile and a half. I'm like, we were already soaking wet. It was raining.
It poured.
It poured.
It poured. We stopped for lunch.
Yeah, we ate outside the Subway, tucked up against the building. It was good. Yep. We're at a Quality Inn, pet friendly. Mm-hmm. We're down in the dungeon. Got the low ceilings. It'll be good.
But we're resting.
Yep. 0's a 0. We'll take it.
That's right.
It's still not that other smelly place, so it's just a different smelly place. This one's much better, though.
Absolutely.
All right. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace.
Peace.